Hello, I'm Joy. 你好，我是乔伊。This is Joy Chinese. Welcome to Easy Chinese Characters, Level 1. Today we'll learn Lesson 5, Stroke Order Rules. There are 6 rules in this class. 先横后竖 Horizontal preceding vertical. 先撇后捺 Left falling preceding right falling. 从上到下 Top preceding bottom. 从左到右 Left preceding right. 先外后内 Outside preceding inside. 先中间后两边 Middle preceding sides. Follow these rules and can write characters beautifully. Now let's see the first rule called 先横后竖 Horizontal preceding vertical. This means you should always write a horizontal stroke first and then write a vertical stroke. Now, let's try to write 2 example characters. 下 means under or below. Please read it after me. 下 See how to write it. We should write this character the horizontal stroke first. Next, we write the vertical stroke. And finally, we write the dot. So first, the horizontal, and next, the vertical. Let's see next example character. 本 means a measure word for books. Please read it after me. 本 See how to write it. We should write it following the rules. First, we write the horizontal stroke on the top. Write it from the left to the right. Next, we write the vertical stroke in the middle. Then we write the left falling on the left. Next, the right falling on the right. Finally, the horizontal stroke on the bottom. Great. This is the first rule. Now let's see the second rule. 先撇后捺 Left falling preceding right falling. This means when you are writing a character, you should always write the left falling stroke first, then the right falling stroke. Let's see 2 example characters. 末 means and. Please read it after me. 末 Let's see how to write it. We should write the horizontal stroke first and then the vertical stroke. And also, we should first write the left falling stroke, then the right falling stroke. So for the whole character, we should write it from the top to the bottom. First, we write the horizontal stroke on the top. Next, horizontal stroke in the middle. Then, a vertical stroke go through these 2 horizontal strokes. Next, which falling we should write first? Yeah, the left falling on the left, and then the right falling on the right. Understand now? Great. Now let's see the next example character. 天 means day. Please read it after me. 天 Now let's see how should we write this character. For the whole character, we should write it from the top to the bottom. So first we write the horizontal stroke on the top. Next, horizontal stroke in the middle. Then, which falling should we write first? Yeah, we should first write the left falling stroke. Next, right falling stroke. Yeah, you do a good job. Please try to write it after me. Now move on to the third rule. 从上到下 Top preceding bottom. We talk about this rule all the time actually. It means you should write characters from the top to the bottom. Now, see 2 example characters. We are familiar with this character, right? 三 means 3. Please read it after me. 三 Let's see how to write this character. write it from the top to the bottom. So first we write the horizontal stroke on the top. Next, the horizontal stroke in the middle. Finally, the horizontal stroke on the bottom. Great. Next example character. 个. 个 is a general measure word. Please read it after me. 个. 个. See how to write 个. We should write it from the top to the bottom and from the left to the right. So first, which stroke should we write? The left falling on the left. Next, the right falling. Finally, the vertical stroke. Is it right? Great. We move on to the fourth rule. 从左到右. Left preceding right. We also talk about these rules all the time while we are learning about writing characters, right? This means you should always write characters from the left to the right. Here shows you some example characters. 你 means you. See how to write it. We write this character from the left to the right. So first we write the left part of this character. Write the left falling, and then the vertical stroke, the left part of this character, 你. Next, we'll learn to write the right part of this character. The left falling, and then horizontal to left falling. Write it all at once. Next, we write vertical hook. Write it all at once as of one stroke. Then we write left falling. Finally, the dot. Okay, it's a little bit complicated, and I will talk about this character again in the later class. Now move on to the next example character. 好. 好 means good. You're familiar with this character, right? Please read it after me. 好. 好. How should we write this character? First, we should write the left part of this character. So it's the left falling to dot. Next, left falling. Then the horizontal stroke go through these two strokes. Then we will write the right part of this character. Write it from the left to the right, right? Now, write the horizontal to left falling. Next, vertical hook. Okay, finally, the horizontal stroke. We'll learn to write this character again in the later class. Next rule. 先外后内. Outside preceding inside. This means you should write the characters from the outside to the inside. Let's see some example characters. 日. 日 means sun. Now, see how to write it. We should write it from the outside to the inside. So first we write the vertical stroke on the left, then the horizontal turning, next the horizontal stroke, and finally the horizontal stroke. Easy, right? Next example character. 木. 木. 木 means eye. Please read it after me. 木. 木. See how to write it. We should write it from the outside to the inside and from the left to the right. So first we write the vertical stroke. Next, horizontal turning. Then, horizontal stroke, a horizontal stroke. Finally, the horizontal stroke. Great. Please try to write it after me. Next example character. 四. 四 means 4. Please read it after me. 四. 四. Let's see how to write it. We should write it from the outside to the inside and from the left to the right. So which stroke goes first? Yeah, this vertical stroke on the left. Then the horizontal turning. Next, the left falling inside. The vertical turning inside. Finally, the horizontal stroke on the bottom. Great, understand it? The next rule, 先中间后两边 middle preceding sides. This means to write some characters from the middle to the left side and then to the right side. Now I will show 2 example characters. 少 means little or few. Please read it after me. 少 See how to write it? First we write the vertical stroke. Next we write the left falling on the left. Then we go to the right side to write a dot. Finally, we write the left falling on the bottom. Great. Next example character. 小 means small or little. Please read it after me. 小 See how to write it. First we write the vertical hook. Then, which stroke should we write first? Yeah, the left falling on the left, and then the dot. Good job. We can make a conclusion for this class. Today we learned 6 rules of stroke order. Rule number 1, 先横后竖, horizontal preceding vertical. When we are writing the characters, we should write the horizontal stroke first and then write the vertical stroke. We have 2 example characters. 下本 See the stroke order. Okay, great. Next rule. 先撇后捺 Left falling preceding right falling. This means we should first write the left falling and then goes to the right falling. See 2 example characters. 末天 See their stroke orders. Okay, great. Next rule. 从上到下 Top preceding bottom. This means we should write the character from the top to the bottom. See the example characters. 3个 See their stroke orders. Next rule. 从左到右 Left preceding right. See the example characters. 你好 Their stroke orders. Okay, great. Next rule. 先外后内 Outside preceding inside. We should write the characters from the outside to the inside. See the example characters. 日木四 See their stroke orders. Great. The last rule. 先中间后两边 Middle preceding insides. This means when we write some characters, we should write the stroke in the middle first, and then write the left side, finally write the right side. See the example characters. 少小 See their stroke orders. Great, you finished this class. Thanks for watching. 感谢观看. Bye!